Hey, Claire. Next race. You ready?
It'll be a tough one. Off-road, lots of lead flying. We'll take Beast. I want to try her out in the field.
Nova. FYI, I'm already here.
Perfect. Join you in a sec.
Sounds good. See ya.
Yeah, sure, go ahead, try.
I really thought you'd stand me up again. I thought Bully would have to ride shotgun.
Hey, V. Good
Bully
to see
is
you
a
again.
fantastic shot.
Got another race to run, huh?
He is.
Second of 4, I
He's
hope.
talking always.
Ready to go off-road?
Too much. His mouth never stops
Not a
running.
fan-friendly
It's
event, is it?
distracting.
We'd want
I
to
take the
bake in
turns
this
too
sun.
wide.
Speed,
So next time I
carnage, a
actually
crunching
don't
metal
make it,
symphony.
There's duct tape
Yeah,
in the trunk.
dull
Just
stuff.
saying.
Think this one will be tough?
Badlands, so no fucking around. Anything goes in this race.
So you'll have your hands full.
You too. One mistake and we'll be a 4-ton tumbleweed.
I can do this.
Okay, I'm just gonna melt under that sun, so gonna wait in the car.
Sure.
Hey guys, remember! Maximum madness!
Ladies and gentlemen, get your pants on right, strap in, and fire up your engine! 30 seconds and counting!
Hey, you!
Ignore him. Luigi tries to get in people's heads.
Yeah? What's up?
Just wanted to wish you luck!
Thanks!
Three, two, one!
Cover each other!
Wasn't easy.
Drive up to the finish line.
Fuck! What shortcut? That is race terrain! You lost him?
Why, no
Oh,
way
God!
you'll believe
Spare
I bet
me
on the
from
winning
this-
horse.
How am I doing?
Okay,
You're
come
too
back.
wide around corners and slow down the last straightaway, but I'm nitpicking.
So, no regrets putting me behind the wheel.
Not yet.
Your last driver was better than I am?
He was. A good husband. An amazing wheelman.
How did he die, if you don't mind my asking?
How do any competitive racers die? We reached the final last year. We were strong, out in front when...
Maybe we should change the subject.
Yeah. You want a lift to my garage?
Yeah. Find my own way there. Thanks.
All right, see ya.